Hi, Bernard here from Dialogue France. One of the most frequent questions I've got asked over the past 10 years of my one-to-one French immersion courses is, why is it, for example, like that, when I order something in French, I always get an answer in English? I might have something for you. To me, it's about the music. You know, a language is not only words and sentences. It's above all a music. And French music and English music are extremely different. Let's take an example with two sentences. First sentence in English, I'm on the first floor. So how is it pronounced? It's I'm on the first floor. I'm on the first floor. If I take the same sentence in French, je suis au premier étage. We never speak like that. We speak completely flat. Je suis au premier étage. So you notice the difference. In English it's I'm on the first floor. In French it's je suis au premier étage. This is the melody, but there is also rhythm in music. The rhythm in English is I'm on the first floor. Long, short, short, long, long. French, je suis au premier étage. Completely regular, like a metronome. Je suis au premier étage. Against I'm on the first floor. If I take words which are spelled exactly the same way, for example, conversation. In English it will be conversation. In French, conversation. In English, conversation. French, conversation. You see the difference. Now, and there is another element that I forgot to explain you. It's in French, it's very important to make one big sound with the sentence. It's not je suis au premier étage. It is je suis au premier étage. We have very big difficulties to understand the sentence if you make cuts. Je suis au premier étage will not be understood. We have to make one big sound. Now back to the cafe or to the restaurant. When the order is probably bonjour monsieur, un café s'il vous plaît. What would say an English-speaking person? Probably, bonjour monsieur, un café s'il vous plaît. For the waiter, that sounds English. It's English music, it's not French music, so they will answer in English instead of French. Next time, try bonjour monsieur, un café s'il vous plaît. And I'm quite sure they will answer in French.